With ignorance, the same energy manifests as sadness, as anger, as rage, as jealousy, all those feelings. Hmm? So, if you can be sad, you can be blissful too. Yeah? If you are sad, that means you have the ability to be blissful. And to be blissful, you need to practice it. Santosha, contentment is also a practice, like cleanliness, shaucha, santosha. Santosha, shaucha is cleanliness. Cleanliness is a practice. You can't say cleanliness will happen all by itself. You need to brush your teeth. You need to take a shower. You need to keep things clean. Similarly, when dust comes and sits on you, you need to shake it off. Even dogs do it. If water or dust sits on them, they just shake it, shake it, and get rid of it. Any animal does it. It's in the nature. So we need to practice it. Shaucha means cleanliness has to be practiced. Similarly, santosha, contentment, happiness also to be practiced. But if we practice to be, we have practiced or we have conditioned our mind to be miserable, to be unhappy, then we remain in that energy only. Because it's the same energy. And we have to deconditioning it and making your energy radiate bliss and happiness. It's not a big, it's not a very difficult thing. It's not a big thing. Just a little wisdom, little practice. And if you, if you practice to be happy, if you put a habit to be content, and happy, that's what it is. That's why I said Ananda Mayobhyasat. By practice, the Brahman, the infinite energy, appears to be bliss, manifests as bliss. Otherwise, it will keep in ignorance. You are attached to small little things here and there, and then you can remain miserable. Yeah, that much good enough. No? So if you are miserable, it's surely because of your habit. You are habituated to be miserable. And I tell you, you have the ability to shift that. You can habituate yourself to be happy, to be content, to be blissful. And you need to do that. This is the essence of practice.